and welcome back to my channel. A friend of mine asked me to do this video, so here we go. All I'm doing here is cutting out the pattern. So keep watching, guys, and I hope you learned something new. Sorry about the angle, guys. I don't know what happened, but the measurements for the shield, I did that around 3 inches by 8. So let's get started on making this face mask with eye protector. I have 3 layers of protection here: the lining, the outer material, and the non-woven interfacing. Keep watching, guys. I decided on this one to make my own bias tape. I made it as long as maybe 12 inches long by 2 inches wide. And I pressed it on the iron. It's pretty simple to make. Just keep watching. Right here, just take your time, guys, and sew all 3 layers together. Right here, guys, I decided to do something different with the pipe cleaner. What I'm doing is I'm going to zigzag the pipe cleaner down before I flip it over. Before I was trying to fill for the pipe cleaner once I made the mask, but now I'm sewing it on first before I flip it to the other side. Right here, guys, I decided to just sew maybe 2 inches and then stop and then go to the other side and sew 2 inches and leave the bottom part open, so it'll be pretty much easier to flip and I won't bend the eye protector all up when I flip it to the other side. Right here, all I'm doing is doing a top stitch, then I'm going to press the bottom part and then do a top stitch on that, and we are almost finished. I just got finished pressing the mask and now I'm going to close up the bottom. Sew those sides down, then put the string through. All I'm doing right here is sewing my fold over elastic down because it was a little too wide, so I decided to fold it in half and sew it down. Keep watching, we're almost done. thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you learned something new, because that's what my channel is all about. And I did this for a friend of mine, so I hope you enjoyed it. So remember guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Yes! And I will be talking to y'all very soon, and I'm sending out my hugs and kisses. And y'all have a wonderful evening, and please guys, stay home and be safe, and I will see y'all soon.
Once again.